Candles, fibs, crosses, EMAs. It's the tools of the day trade. Don't be a noob and trade on websites that don't give you BitBoy bonuses. Click the link in the description to get set up on Bybit or Femex and get an insane sign-up bonus for being part of the Bit Squad. Leverage trade responsibly, but do it the right way on Femex or Bybit. Bonus details in the links below.
BitBoy Crypto Morning Tea. Good morning, everybody. It's November 11, 2021. My name's Piano Matty B. That is Scaramucci's, and this is your Morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bring in the data. The FOMO index has actually increased to 77 from yesterday's 75. Bitcoin dominance is at 43.1%. 24-hour volume is at 181 billion, and the overall market cap is 2.85 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Piano Matty B, what happened? You said expect a pullback to 65.8, and it went to 62.8. What happened? And at this stage in the bull run, you can throw out all the Evergrandes and all the inflations and the whale nincompoopery. Because we all know that this flash crash was due in part at least to me not wearing this rocket shite. Yes, I got cocky and I just wore an everyday baby blue collar shirt. When the Parabolic Bull Run Manual clearly states that Piano Matty B should and must wear his rocket shirt at all times to ensure market stability. So back on it comes, and back on it will stay. The daily cup and handle really got a nice handle put on her. Now, of course, the trading Poindexters told me that this flash crash technically invalidates the pattern, as traditionally the cup shouldn't pull back more than a third of the depth of the coffee. And if you factor in the witchy wickeray, one could say we wick down past 1/3, but I'm keeping this validation. When you take out the wicks, which happened so fast, we barely knew what hit us. It's a typical pullback, and keep in mind the handle usually takes at least a week to form. So we may be rounding out the bottom of this handle and heading up shortly. At this point, I'm fairly confident that the community is so used to these shenanigans that it's really just another day at the office. We're like those maniacs who enter into those face-slapping competitions. We've made it to the finals. Now, what kind of sick degen must one be to enter in and willfully go along with a face-slapping competition? Because there's a lot of hurdles to overcome before one gets there. First, you have to realize that A, you're pretty good at taking a slap to the face, which would stand to reason that you get slapped in the face a lot. And B, you say to yourself, I wish there was a competition where people got slapped in the face, because I'd probably do pretty well. You then look on the internet and Google face slapping competitions and find out the next one is 1,300 kilometers away. Then you pay the $150 entrance fee. I mean, I could go on and on about the lunacy of the face slapping theme. But in a nutshell, that's the crypto markets. After being in them long enough, you get an iron cheek. So where to now, Matty B? Well, I'd like to see us flip that 65.8 from resistance to support. And at that point, we will head back up to 66.9. Our second line of resistance and support. And finally, 67.4 will be our Xanadudian moment. And yes, I just made up that word. It's like the verb version of Xanadu. Xanadudian, plus it has the word dude in it. And that's just a fun word, isn't it? Dude. Xanadudian. Anyways, 67.4 is the breakup point. So put your iron cheeks on. Because after that, our sick love affair with taking forehands to the face will be in full flight. I'm still sticking with the 78K target, and don't be surprised if it only takes a few candles or slaps in the face to get there. And don't be surprised if we get a couple slaps back down as well. We signed up for this, so enjoy it. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. Bit boy crypto morning tea. Hey.